Hello, I am Madani Ariyam. I've been working in the finance field for a very long time. Now I work from home on a freelance basis. This video is about an accounting equation, the accounting equation. An entrepreneur who is running a business or anyone planning to start a company, they need to learn about the accounting equation. This is the basic concept of accounting. As it affects any significant transaction in a business, maybe for a big corporation or even for a small corner shop. Therefore, essential to know the basic concepts of financial reporting as an owner of a business. The economic data are processed and then the financial statements prepared using the idea of the accounting equation. That's used to assess the financial position of the company in three items. Assets, this represents the assets, it's like equipment, cash, inventory, accounts receivable, assets which the company owns. And the liabilities means if your wages to the staff, rent and rates, other administration expenses, those are accounts payable, loans, interest on loans payable by the company, all that come under liabilities. And then the owner's equity, that is assets minus the liabilities is the owner's equity. That is the economic resources remained in the business is the owner's equity. What is the equation? Accounting equations explains how these three items are related to each other. The accounting equation is in the case of the sole trader is as follows: assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity. Assets are the company's resources that bring benefits to the company in the long run. For example, cash, accounts receivable, and all those things which I have said before. The net income, the assets minus the liabilities, the net income stays in the business without making any withdrawals by the owner, increases the owner's equity. Accounting records, if the books are in order, both sides of this equation should balance. Right side will balance the left side without any issues. Any transactions will affect the accounting equation. For example, if the company gets a bank loan, increases the asset and the liability. Records need to maintain accurately. Left side of the equation, what the company has, and the right side of the equation, what the company has, and the right side show the company has got this money. So the right side indicates whether the company borrowed the money or got the investment by themselves, by the owners. So the right side indicates whether the company borrowed the money or got the investments by the owners. Assets paid. If the assets pay all the liabilities, there is no liability, say the liabilities, the leftover is the owner's equity. That is what is remained in the business belongs to the owner. That's all. So that is, we can put the equation in another way: assets minus the liabilities equals owner's equity. Balance sheet. Balance sheet is a financial statement and it represents the accounting equation. You will notice all the items in the balance sheet represent in the accounting equation, but it is in the vertical format. The balance sheet shows the financial position of the company for a particular period, the financial period. The company sets a financial period for their companies. The balance sheet is drawn up for that particular period. It is significant financial statement, and as it is required by anyone who wants to have business dealings with the company. Small startup business and its bookkeeping. Accounting equation for a startup. Assets equals liabilities plus the owner's equity. When it's a startup, when it's a new small startup, everything will be in zero. Say for example, if the owner invests 2,000 into the business, the change is asset will increase by 2,000 and owner's equity by 2,000. So the equation will be 2,000 minus 0 equals 2,000 equals 0 plus 2,000. That is a. Let me say this again. If the owners invest $2,000 into the business, the change will be the asset will increase by 2,000 and the owner's equity by 2,000. So asset 2,000 equals 0 plus 2,000. So the liabilities will not increase because it's an investment by the owner itself. Now the owner decides to buy £200 worth of equipment. The accounting equation becomes as follows. 2,200, so the asset will increase because there's investment 2,000 plus the 200 equipment. 2,200 equals 200. There is a liability, the equipment is you've got to pay for that. Pay for that equipment. So 200 plus the equity remains is 2,000. So asset will become 2,200 equals 200. The liability will be 200 plus the 2,000 pounds owner's equity. You could see that the equation balances because of the double entry bookkeeping. Therefore, proper reporting is necessary, and if the comparison doesn't restore, you will lose the reliability of the finance reports. It should balance, otherwise you will lose the reliability of your finance reports. That is important. I hope you understood these tips about the accounting equation. This is the basic concept of bookkeeping accounting. So you got to know as a business owner. I hope you understood this. If you like this video, please share it as well. And for the balance. And also you can visit my website to read more things about accounting. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now. See you in another one.